Hi everyone and welcome. California's Central Valley is one of the most productive farming regions in the world. Its rich soil, sunny climate, and commitment to agricultural innovation make it an ideal place for growing almonds. Approximately 75% of the world's almonds are grown in California's Central Valley. As we zoom in on this orchard, you can see how modern the setup is. A fertigation hub manages precise feeding and irrigation, and the trees are planted in well-spaced rows about 21 feet or 7 meters apart. Almond trees take about 4 years from planting before they produce a meaningful crop. Each season begins in late winter as the trees wake from dormancy and move into bloom. This is when pollination happens. More than 2 million beehives are brought into California each year to pollinate the flowers. Only about 20 to 30% of those flowers will set and become almonds. From spring through summer, growers guide the orchards with meaningful attention to nutrients, soil conditions, and overall tree health. As the winter warms, the nuts mature. In July and August, the hulls split and the crop becomes ready for harvest. Mechanical shakers gently shake the tree so the almonds fall on the orchard floor. They dry naturally in the warm climate before they are swept, collected, and taken to hulling and often shelling. Once harvest is complete, growers resume irrigation and apply post-harvest fertilizer. This helps the trees build reserves, strengthen next year's buds, and prepare for a healthy bloom in the coming season. The water used to grow almonds also supports the trees that store carbon. It grows the hulls, which are about twice the weight of the nut itself, and serve as valuable dairy feed. It produces the shells, which are repurposed into a variety of uses. As California faces water challenges, new plantings are gradually shifting further east and north within the state. Zooming in on PAPC and RPAC. After harvest, almonds are hulled and in many cases also shelled. They are then graded for quality. Approximately 20% of almonds are sold as in-shell and about 80% are sold as kernels. Hulling and shelling typically run from August through December. From there, the incoming almonds undergo further processing and cleaning, and shipments move year-round to buyers across the globe. Moving on to the global market overview. Approximately 25% of U.S. almond shipments are sold into the domestic market, and about 25% go to Europe. India, the industry's largest in-shell market, accounts for roughly 15% of the demand. The Middle East and North Africa are among the fastest-growing regions and make up another 15%, and around 8% go to China, the second largest in-shell market. The balance is distributed across the rest of the world. Every month, the Almond Board of California releases a position report that shows the latest supply and demand data. Stay tuned for RPAC's monthly market updates following each release.